Today we'll talk about how can you fix this problem or know how you can do that on your try lineup. So all you have to do, so you just click here on settings, click on it here. When you click here on settings, it's going to show for you this like this here. So then you go down, just keep going down, then you click here on apps, then you come to apps list here until you're looking for try lineup or just click on search, then here at try lineup it's going to show for you like this, click on it. So then it's going to take you to this list here, click on for stop, then you click on ok, then you go down, just click here on storage, come to storage list here, just click here on clear cache. Then all you have to do, so you just restart your phone and start it again, then it's going to work with you. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.